Hello, my name is Mark Rulli, and I'd like to pose the question: do computers negatively affect human fitness? Now, the onset of computers and technology give reason to believe that people will become physically stagnant and become less fit. More people stay indoors and look at a computer screen all day, making it seem like technology is a hindrance to human fitness levels. Yet computers can serve to benefit health, as it allows for greater analysis. Whether in relation to athletes or average individuals, computers possess the ability to aid human fitness despite supposed diminishing motivation. I'd like to firstly discuss the role of data concerning fitness. Computers have the ability to provide data otherwise impossible to collect manually. With computers, data can be recorded seamlessly and kept within databases. The idea of improvement resides in the fact that one must perform better than last time. By knowing past performance, people can compare their progress to their prior selves. Computers can make it easier to document growth and realize trends, in which patterns can then be discovered. Deep learning takes data to another level. Deep learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It means computers are capable of learning from unstructured and unlabeled data. For example, computers can take in footage and realize trends such as where is the best position to shoot on a basketball court. Prior to deep learning, players shoot more in the two-point range but later found that it was less effective than a layup or three-point shot. Deep learning also allows for advances in computer vision, which trains computers to interpret and understand content within images or video. This enables computers to predict the player's stamina at a given time, for example. However, this is limited due to lack of understanding of the human brain. As of now, the human eye is more powerful than quote-unquote computer eyes. Yet, nevertheless, deep learning and AI provides better insight into how to train and where to improve, as computers can scrutinize specific movements in order to reach maximum performance. Once easily accessible to society, people will be able to determine how best to be more efficient when training. Simulated environments may also prove to benefit human fitness and performance. While simulated environments give an alternative to training outdoors, especially in poor weather conditions, they help in easily creating scenarios for athletes to experience. For example, soccer players can shoot the soccer ball at a projection that displays targets and determines whether the ball accurately hits the target, such as in the picture below. Simulated environments act like video games, possibly serving to be a form of entertainment, enticing more people to be active in an enjoyable manner. These environments may also evolve to augmented reality, which is an interactive environment where the real world is enhanced with computer-generated objects or information, allowing users to have a more immersive experience. Lastly, physical technology and applications can greatly help people of society. Advances in technology and computer capabilities lowers the threshold for entry for those beginning to exercise. Running apps have been introduced allowing almost everybody to follow a given plan and track their progress. Such apps may include features such as Google Maps serving as a GPS. Wearable technology such as the Apple Watch enables users to monitor their heart rate and the amount of steps people walk as shown in the picture. With this, people may now be aware of the physical activity motivating them to do more. Studies have shown that exercise improvement systems, quote, provide motivation for students to do more exercise since they can easily track the exercise status of an individual and compare performance with personal goals, according to Kang et al. In essence, technology provides the means to set and reach goals in a somewhat tangible form. Such forms of technology are generally convenient and introduces a larger demographic to fitness. So in conclusion, although people may be perceived to be less physically active, people's fitness can actually greatly be improved with the usage of computer science. Thank you.